Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to change font color in InDesign. So let's have a look now. At first, click and drag to highlight the text you want to change, or click inside a text frame to select all the text within it. Open the color panel. If the color panel isn't already visible, go to Window, then select Color, and again click on Color to open it. In the color panel, make sure the Formatting Effect text button is selected. Use the sliders or input values to select your desired color, or click the color figure to choose a custom color. Once you have selected the color, the highlighted text will change to your chosen color. So this is it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.